Okay, so now we're going to try a different angle on a problem. So we've calculated the actual distance based on a distance on a map with a scale. Now we're going to take a situation where we know the actual distance between two places, and we have a map with a 1 inch to 20 mile scale. And we want to find out how far apart on the map they are. So I have town A, town B. They are 190 miles apart. My map has a 1 inch to 20 mile scale. So, just like before, I'm going to set up a proportion, and I'll start that way. This should seem familiar. So, I'm going to set up my proportion starting using my scale. So, one inch to 20 miles. So, I'll find the next thing I know. I put my inches and miles over there too. And the other piece of information that I've been given is that the towns are 190 miles apart. Well, that's where my miles are. So my 190 will go there. Inches on the top, miles on the bottom. That matches. Everything's okay. So I now have no more numbers given to me in the problem. So that is a space for my variable, which again will be y. So it's just now time to solve. I can ignore my units for the moment. I'm going to cross multiply. Again, cross multiplying is a shortcut where I go diagonally on a proportion. I'm able to get away with this because it is the mathematical equivalent of multiplying both sides by both denominators. So I'm multiplying this side by 20 and 190, and this side by 20 and 190. On this side, the 20 will cancel out, and only 190 will make it to the top. On this side, the 190 will cancel out, and only the 20 will make it to the top. 20 times y, 190 times 1. So 20y equals 190. I have a one-step equation. I'm dividing by my coefficient. So I divide both sides by 20. That isolates just y on this side. 190 divided by 20. Well, 20 times 9 is 180, and 10 is half of 20. So 9.5. I could do out the long division, but that's sort of a story for another video. So y equals 9.5. What does that mean? On the map, the towns are 9.5 inches apart. So that is how you can calculate the distance on a map based on the original distance in the real world using the map scale.